Hello children. Today we will start our exercise 9.6. Okay. In this exercise we have to learn one more formula. Fine. That is if your equation is in a linear differential equation like this. Okay. So how will you find out the solution of this kind of equation? So listen carefully. If your equation is in this form, okay, that is dy by dx plus py that is equal to q. So first of all, you have to find out if. If stands for integrating factor. Okay, so your if would be equals to e raised to power integration p dx. So this is a formula which you have to learn. This is a formula of if, integration factor. And the general solution on then the solution of this differential equation would be this. Okay, so this formula you have to learn. So this is the integration sign y into if, that is equals to integration of q into if into dx plus c. So this formula you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so let's start. I'm solving your first question of this uh, exercise. Please wait. Yes, the first question is dy by dx plus 2y, that is equal to sine x. So this differential equation is given to us and we have to find a solution. So if you'll compare this and this equation, okay, if you compare this equation and this equation, your p would be 2 and your q would be sine x. Okay, and first of all we have to find out if. So your if would be e raised to power integration p dx. Your p is 2, so 2 dx you have to write. So this would be e raised to power 2x. So this is your if. Okay, and this is a general formula, that is y into if. Your if is e raised to power 2x, that is equals to integration q. Your q is sine x and your if is e raised to power 2x into dx plus c. Fine. So this is a general solution. Just we have to find out the integration of this and you will get the answer. Fine. So what I'm doing here, this is y into e raised to power 2x, that is equals to I. I'm assuming this equals to I plus c. So this is our equation number 1. Got it? So this part I will solve on the next page. Okay. Please wait. Now see. Now your I is integration sin x and e raised to power 2x into dx. Fine. So this is your first function and this is your second function. So according to the eyelet, your first function will remain the same. इंटीग्रेशन सेकंड फंक्शन दैट वुड बी ई रेज़ टू पावर 2x. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसका डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेशन लिख रहा हूँ बेटा, ठीक है, माइनस इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ योर फर्स्ट पार्ट दैट वुड बी cos x and integration of this part would be e raised to power 2x over 2 plus c. After that sin x e raised to power 2x and that is 1 by 2. I'm writing like this, minus I'm using the bracket also. So in this part again I am applying eyelet. So this is your first function, this is your second function. So half I'm writing outside. So your first function will remain the same. Again integration of second function, that would be e raised to power 2x over 2 minus derivative first function will be minus sin x into e raised to power 2x over 2 integration dx plus c, that is equals to half. Again the same you have to copy, sin x e raised to power 2x minus, insert this half, it would be 1 by 4 cos x e raised to power 2x and that would be plus and again it would minus. It would be 1 by 4 integration sin x and e raised to power 2x plus c into dx. So your I is equals to half sin x e raised to power 2x minus 1 by 4 cos x e raised to power 2x, okay, minus 1 by 4, and this would be again I1. This is your I1 now, so you have to write I1 plus c. Now you have to bring this on this side, you will get 5 I by 4. When you will shift this I by 4 here, I plus I by 4 would be 5 I by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 sin x e raised to power 2x minus 1 by 4 cos x e raised to power 2x plus c. Okay children, now you have to multiply this by 5 by 4. This is your I, and the same thing you have to copy here. Okay, now you have to just put the value of I in your equation number 1 and you will get the required answer. Okay children, so this is how you can solve your question number 1 of this exercise. So if you are not getting the concept, so watch the video again, and again you are not getting, so please ask. Okay children, so note it down. Children, similarly, second question you can solve. Second question is a homework. Question number 3 is also your homework. Question number 4 you have to do. They're very easy. Okay, if you're getting any doubt, so you are free, you can ask. Okay, but I'm sure you will solve all of them. Question number 5, question number 6, you can do. Oh, question number 6 I'm telling you. Okay, please wait. See, in the question number 6, your question is like this: x log x dy by dx plus y, that is equals to 2 by x log x. Okay, so this equation is given to you. So first of all, you have to make this equation, that is linear differential equation. Okay, so your general equation was dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So you have to convert into standard form first of all. So I can see this part is extra. Okay, here only dy by dx can come. So what we will do, we will divide this whole equation by this. So what you will get after dividing this, so I'm writing here, just wait. Dividing both sides by x log x. Okay, and then we get, so if you will divide, so this and this term will cancel out, or here dy by dx will remain, plus here y by x log x will come, that is equal to 2 by x log x over x log x will come. So this term and this term will cancel out. Okay, so you will get dy by dx plus 1 by x log x into y is equals to 2 by x square. Okay, so this is your equation. This is your standard equation. Fine. So you have to compare this with this general equation, dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So p would be 1 over x log x and your q would be 2 by x square. Okay, so you have to find out if. Your if would be e raised to power p dx. This is the general formula. So your p is e raised to power 1 by x log x. Okay, integration into dx. Got it? So what I'm doing, I am assuming that log x is equal to t. जैसा हम इंटीग्रेशन में करते हैं, तो if you will differentiate, you will get 1 by x, that is dx is equal to dt. So बच्चे आपका आएगा आंसर e raised to power integration, that is 1 बाई टी, log x के प्लेस पर मैं t पुट कर रहा हूँ, एंड dx by x would be dt. So your answer would be e raised to power dt by t, that would be log t. So as you know that e and log will cancel out and you will get t only. So that means your if would be log x, because your t is log x. So this is your if. if निकाल लिया, तो your general formula is, see, so your general formula will be y into if. So if is log x is equals to integration q. Your q is 2 by x square into your if. If is log x. If is log x plus c into dx. Here you have to write. So simply what you have to do, you have to integrate this. Fine. So apply eyelet in this part and you will get the answer. Okay, children. So this is how you can solve question number 6. So this integration part is your homework and you have to solve. Got it? So this is how you can solve your question number 6. So please note it down. And listen, the second part, that is dx by dy, is not in your syllabus. The second formula of this linear equation is not in your syllabus. It has been deleted. So leave all the question of that kind. Okay. So only dy by dy, this kind of question you have to solve. Fine. Your next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is your homework. Question number 8 is also your homework. Children, question number 9 you can also solve. Question number 9 is not in your syllabus, so please wait. Just wait. Let me check. Yeah, it is not in your syllabus. Question number 9, no need to solve. Question number 10 is also no need to solve. Question number 9, 10 and question number 11. Question number, no need to solve all this kind of question, okay? So in question number 12, it's again very simple, just you have to integrate, okay? And rest of the question you can solve, they are very easy. Okay, children? If you're getting any doubts, so you can ask. Okay, in question number 12, what you have to do, see. इन क्वेश्चन में जब आपको x की वैल्यू y की वैल्यू गिवन होगी ना, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. आप क्या करोगे, पहले इसका सॉल्यूशन निकाल लेना. ठीक है, इसको इंटीग्रेट करोगे, कुछ ना कुछ आंसर आएगा. उस सॉल्यूशन में आप x और y के प्लेस पर वैल्यू डाल देना जो आपको गिवन होगी क्वेश्चन में. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 की बात कर रहा हूं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 और फर्दर जब आपको x और y गिवन होगा, तो आपने तब कैसे सॉल्व करना है. तो बेटा आपको जब x और y की वैल्यू, इसको पहले सॉल्व कर लेना, जनरल सॉल्यूशन पुट लिख देना इसका आंसर. अब आपके पास x और y की वैल्यू है, x और y की वैल्यू डाल देना, आपके पास c की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ठीक है, जब x और y की वैल्यू डालोगे, c की कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू आएगी. जस्ट कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू पुट कर देना जनरल आंसर में एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन में 12-13 करने हैं. ठीक है, कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. इफ यूर कई बार अगर आप स्टक होते हो, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सो प्लीज आस्क. ठीक है, फील फ्री टू आस्क. आप ग्रुप में डाल देना क्वेश्चन को, आई विल सॉल्व. ओके, so let's start our miscellaneous exercise. Children, in miscellaneous, question number 3 is not coming. It is not in your syllabus. Okay, question number 3 is not in your syllabus. Question number 4 you have to solve. It's easy. It is related to homogeneous. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 नो नीड टू सॉल्व. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 नहीं करना इस एक्सरसाइज का. ठीक है, मिसलेनियस का. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मैं करा देता हूं, जस्ट वेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और फिर मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में करा रहा हूँ मिसलिनियस को. और सी हियर dy by dx is given to you plus under root 1 minus y square is given, 1 minus x square is given, that is equals to 0. Okay, so in this question what you have to do, you have to shift this part on this side, so you will get equals to minus 1 minus y square 1 minus x square, that is dy by dx. तो बेटा जैसा आपने एक्सरसाइज 9.4 में करा था ना, सेपरेट कर दो इसे. सो dy by over under root 1 minus y square, that is equals to minus dx over. Okay, integrating both sides, just you have to integrate both side, and integration this you know, integration this you know, इंटीग्रेशन कर देना इसकी, खत्म क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर आएगा साइन इनवर्स y, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन इनवर्स x प्लस c. तो दिस वुड बी द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ओके, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल. ओके, बस सेपरेट आउट कर देना उसे, सेम इसी तरह से ही करना है. उस वाली टर्म को उधर ले जाना, सॉल्व कर देना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, it's again very easy question. Question number 9 you can solve. Question number 10, please wait. Now see children, question number 10, that is a little bit different, so I am solving this question number 10 here of a miscellaneous exercise. So y into e raised to power x by y into dx, that is equals to x e raised to power x by y plus y square into dy, where y is not equals to 0. This is given to us. Okay, so in this question what you have to do, just we have to find out dy by dx. Okay, so in the first step I am shifting this dy here, y e raised to power xy, this is dx by dy, that is equals to x e raised to power xy plus y square. Okay, in the next step what you have to do, you have to shift this here, so I'm writing e raised to power xy, that is dx by dy minus x e raised to power xy, that is equals to y square. Now as we can see, I can take common e raised to power xy from both of them, so e raised to power xy will be common, and you will get y dx by dy minus x, that is equals to y square. Okay, now this is your e raised to power xy, y dx by dy minus x, this whole over y square is equals to 1. ध्यान से देखो, ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. ठीक है, तो ये आपका इक्वेशन नंबर, दिस को एज्यूम करो, दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो ई रेस्ट की पावर एक्स वाई को बेटा मैं लेट कर रहा हूं जेड, जेड टी वॉट एवर यू वांट. ठीक है, इसको लेट कर लेना. ठीक है, अगर इसको डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड, सो इट विल बी ई रेस्ट की पावर एक्स वाई ओनली. नाउ इन एक्स वाई आई हैव टू अप्लाई डिविजन रूल, क्योंकि अभी आई एम डिफरेंशिएटिंग दिस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, differentiating both sides with respect to y. Here I am differentiating with respect to y only. So in xy you have to apply product rule, y will remain the same. Your x would be dx by dy minus, now your x will remain same, your y would be 1, this whole over y square, that is equals to dz over dy. Okay, So as you can see, they are matching. Okay, so this is at a place of this, I'm putting 1 here. This, so you will get e raised to, you will get 1 by 1 is equal to dz over dy. So here I'm solving it. So this whole would be 1. So 1 is equals to dz over dy. Okay, so just shift it. So dz is equals to dy. So you have to integrate both sides. So this will come, your z is equals to, your z is equals to y plus c. Fine. So your z is x e raised to power xy, that is equal to y plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay, so this is how you can solve question number 10 of this exercise. Beta, question number, next question number 12. This is also important question, so I'm solving this. Please wait, let me erase this. Next question which I'm going to solve, that is your question number 12 of this exercise. See, in question number 12, it is e raised to power minus 2 root x over root x minus y by root x, bracket close, that is dx by dy is equals to 1. This is given to us. Okay, this is given to us and we have to solve this differential equation. Okay, so children, in the next step, first what you have to do, you have to shift this dx by dy on this side, so you will get dy by dx. तो मैं इसे पहले लिख रहा हूँ. It is e raised to power minus 2 root x over root x minus y by root x. Okay, so I'm shifting this y root x here. This would be dy by dx plus y by root x is equals to e raised to power minus 2 root x over root x. So as you can see, this is a standard form. So if we'll compare this with this equation, dy by dx plus py is equals to q. This is a general form. So you will get your y, your p is equals to 1 by root x. The q is equals to this is. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out if. If is equals to e raised to power under root p dx. So e raised to power integration p is 1 root x, 1 by root x into dx. So integration this would be, it is e raised to power half. So e x to the power half over half. Yes, this will come. So your final answer would be, if would be e raised to power 2, that is x raised to power half means root x. So this will come. This is your if. Okay. So your general formula of this equation is, here I am writing the general formula, y into if is equals to q into if plus c. So this is the general formula. So apply this formula here. Your y will remain y. Your if is e raised to power 2 root x. Your q is e minus 2 root x over root x into, your if is e raised to power 2 root x into dx plus c. Okay, so I am assuming that this is equals to I, this whole is equals to I. So let me adjust the next page of this. Please wait. Now see. The same term I am copying here. This is your I plus C. So this is your equation number 1. So here I am going to solve your I. Your I is equals to integration. Integration, as you can see, this e raised to power 2 root x into e raised to power 2 root x over root x into dx. This and this will cancel out. And integration of 1 by root x is x to the power 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 plus c. So this is your I. So I would be 2 root x plus c. Okay, so you have to put this value of I in this equation and you will get y into e raised to power 2 root x, that is equals to 2 root x plus c. So this is the required answer. Just at a place of I am putting this value. Okay, so this is how you can solve question number 12 of miscellaneous exercise, and rest of the question is a homework and you have to solve. Okay children, if you are getting any doubts, so please you can ask. Okay, now this chapter is completed now. Okay, so I will send you this one more assignment for this this chapter, so practice it. और वन मोर थिंग बच्चे, जो भी असाइनमेंट मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ उनको सॉल्व करो, ठीक है। क्लास में जितने भी वीडियोस आई एम सेंडिंग, सो प्लीज वॉच ऑल ऑफ देम, ठीक है। कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा, अगर आपने चैप्टर करा भी हुआ है पहले से तो इसको लाइटली मत लेना, यू विल गेट कुछ ना कुछ आपको जरूर वहां पे रिसीव होगा। टिल देन चिल्ड्रन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।